Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how I've been using the application Quizlet as a study and quiz tool. Quizlet is a really great software application because it allows you to make online flashcards that your students can use to learn terms or general things that they have to memorize. If you want to make a new Quizlet, you just click this button, Create. And it'll allow you to create a new study set. You can title it, you can add a diagram or a photo, and then you can enter terms along with definitions. And you can also change the color of each question, the text size, you can add an image, a voice recording. There are really a lot of options, so it's a very, there's a lot of variety that comes with this software, which makes it a really great tool for teachers. If you click on your profile, you'll be able to go to your study sets. And for me, I have one study set about polyatomic ions for the chemistry course that I would be teaching. So as you can see, you have the name of the polyatomic ion, in this example, ammonium, and then here you have the shorthand, NH4 1+. If you click through, you'll see there are a bunch of them. You can click all the way through them. And here you will see ones that are sometimes missed, rarely missed, never missed, and you can star questions or terms that you may need more help with, and then if you go to starred, you can study just those instead of all of the terms. There are also games that you can play. There's a matching game, and then there's a little it's basically like a little video game that you can play. Yep, so that kind of makes it more interesting for the students. They can also start out by clicking Learn. Press any key to continue. So for example, this will tell them if they're correct or if they're incorrect. So if I wanted to get one incorrect, I could just put like anything, hello, and it'll tell you the correct answer. They also have options where they will give you the polyatomic ion and you have to write what it is. Spelling. Type what you hear.
Dihydrogen phosphate. Acetate.
This is helpful for students who maybe need a little bit more help remembering, or they're starting out memorizing some terms and they don't have them completely memorized yet. You can also test yourself, and there are different selections. You have true, false, multiple choice, written questions, and then when you check your answer, it'll tell you how many you have right. So overall, this is just a really great tool for students who are starting out, learning some new terms, or just something that they need to learn for class. Thank you for tuning in.